My name is Jordan, and I will be guiding you through a meditation to relax into the present moment, let go of distracting thoughts, and to feel refreshed. Adjust yourself into a position where you are comfortable and can allow your mind to focus completely on my voice. As you let go of what you were just doing before starting this meditation, and let any thoughts of what is to come after this meditation fade from your mind, you begin to arrive into a state of intentional relaxation. This way of being, an act of listening intently with all of your focus, is in itself meditation. A meditative state is a state of allowance and of gentle peace. It is a state where we can exit the hamster wheel of the mind and notice the prevalent and continuous peace that is always alive within us, oftentimes deep underneath all the thoughts and stories that the mind creates. So during this meditation, I invite you to adopt a perspective to approach this meditation session with. If any thoughts come up that pull your attention away from listening to my voice, gently guide your focus back onto my voice. There's no need to worry about doing this meditation wrong if you get distracted. This is why it is called a meditation practice. It is a practice to bring your full attention to the present moment, time and time again. To gently refocus the mind is a great gift to your mental health. When you can use compassion to guide your mind to let go of stressful thoughts, to let go of distractions even, then you can begin to master your mind. And thus, this practice will allow you to more fully feel happiness and to be better equipped at handling stress in your life. Take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Now again, deep, full breath in and hold it for a moment. Now very slowly, exhale all the way out. Our breath is constant, and it ebbs and flows outside the realm of the mind. This is why the breath, even though it is so simple and often overlooked, is an incredibly potent focal point that can bring us into deep meditative states. As you can notice wherever the mind may be, the breath is also there. It is always there. It is anchored outside of the mind And so as you guide your focus fully onto the breath, allow everything else to fade into the background of your focus. Notice as many details as you can about your breath. How does the beginning of the inhale feel in your nostrils? See if you can notice the air travel down your throat. Can you feel it enter your lungs and expand your belly? During your exhales, do your shoulders relax more? How does your jaw feel? Feel your body ebb and flow with each breath. Observe the intricate details of each breath, like an ocean wave coming into and out of your body. Take a few more moments to relax into being immersed in watching and feeling your breath. Enjoying the rejuvenation that being present with your body can provide. When you are ready, scan your body and take notice of how you feel compared to when you first began this meditation. Notice the state of your mind. The depth and speed of your breath. And whatever sensations may be within your body right now. Now, begin to gently bring some movement into your body, calling your attention back to the room you were in. Then, without rushing, open your eyes, coming fully back to your surroundings. Taking a moment to slowly reintegrate with your environment.